Hello everyone, you are welcome to WINFXTRADING YouTube channel. It has been a long time I uploaded the content, and let me tell you something. If you are new to this channel, please do your best to subscribe, because every video we upload has a high potential to make you rich overnight. We are talking about how to give you overnight millionaire programs like mindset, a kind of instructional materials in the forex market that will activate your mind to think like millionaire or billionaire the way you think about it. So subscribe, make sure you share this channel to your friends so that YouTube will push this channel to a large audience, and make sure you always turn on the bell notifications so that you will be notified each time we do a new video, and try your best to comment and like. It's taking me a lot of time to explain all this, but let's get into today's video course, which is how to turn $1 to $400 plus in just one day. I mean, one day. It cannot pass one day. Somebody will ask me, how is it possible? But that's what this video is all about. Okay, if you have not joined, like you have not created your trading account, check down the description of this video. You will see the link to create account, because you can join the business without having an account. Okay, so how it works is that we'll be trading binary options on volatility markets. So in order to have assets, like you can't do it on your own, you can't make this money on your own. You have to join our Telegram channel. Check the description of this video, you will see our Telegram channel. Then when you join our Telegram channel, we will give you the instructions how to do that. Okay, it's real. When you come to the channel, you will see testimonies. Okay, so I will show you how it works. Okay, so you can see here, this place is rise, this place is fall. Let me just put something like, let me show you something. If I click on dollar, you will see dollar amount, you will see duration. In under duration, you will see ticks, you will see seconds, minutes, hours, and days. Okay, so mostly what we use is minutes. Okay, so this minute can be from 1 minute to anything. But once you register, because you have to register to our VIP group. Once you register, it does not cost much. Just join my Telegram and chat me up. I tell you, it doesn't cost much. It's very small money. You have the token you have to pay. Then you'll be receiving the signals with the time. The signal will have the time, the stake. And the stake is $1, but each time you win, like you will be winning each trade, you have to carry all your equity to trade again. For instance, this is, I'm going to put $1 here. Okay, and then I'm going to set the time to 2 minutes. Okay, after that I'm going to go and obtain the signal. Like, what should I do? At which price am I going to rise or fall, so that these red dots will not reach that price? Like, if I say rise at this point, with the price rise without coming back to that point, if it actually happened, I have made 195%. But if it didn't happen, you lose. Okay, so in this Telegram channel, in our Telegram channel, in the VIP group for the Dtrader rollover program. That's what it is. You do not lose all the signal wins. So what I'm saying is 195%. So let me go to calculator and show you how it works. Okay, I'm going to show you right now. Okay, listen. Most of the trades will be like you sell some of the trades. If we discover that the trade is not going to end in profit, we send you an information, we send a message in the group. That's why you have to join the VIP group. Then you are going to sell. I will teach you how to sell. But if most of the trade will end with the full profit, so you are getting 95. You are getting, like, you started with $1 and you are getting 1.95. You are getting 1.95 or for every trade. You are getting that 1.95 is like 195%. So if you roll over for 9 times, that will be $400 plus. Okay, are you seeing it? If you try to make it 10 times, that will be $800, almost $800. If you make it 11 times, that would be $1,550. You will see that it's real, it's possible. Those of you that went to high schools, you understand the power of exponential, and you can see that this is real. So right now, I will take you back to the trading platform. Now, I don't know, I have not got to my signal, but I will just make a cool rise. It's just for practical purpose. I'll just make a cool rise, and let's wait. Make sure you are where the network is high. And then if I go to where I've made the cool option and the cool rise, you see I'm already in profit of $23. Now, if we discover that this market will not end up giving you the 195% profit, which is this is the potential payout, 1.95. That means you have made a profit of $0.95 as against $1. That means you have made 1.95. If we discover that, we will signal you in time. You see, we signal you in time in the Telegram group so that you will sell. This is the sell button. This sell button is active from the time you open the trade till 30 seconds left. Okay, so we will guide you on that. So you can see we are still in profit. You can see this is for teaching. This is not the VIP design. This is not how we synthesize the signal. No, I won't tell you that. It's private. This is a legit business. All you need to do is to join the VIP. It's not costly. I tell you the truth. You can see we are making key options. This is binary for you. If you like what I'm doing, I want you to comment in the comment section. I want you to subscribe and share this video to your friends. Imagine turning $1 to a couple of $1,000 plus. How do you see? There is no resale. Okay, it is 5 seconds left. That's cool money. $1.95. We have converted $1 to $1.95. You can see practically right now that at 5 seconds, like if you have 5 seconds left, you cannot sell. Though I will keep getting more information about this because I'm the one that is sending the signal. I'm the one that will tell you whether to close, whether to sell or to leave the trade to get the full profit. I'm the one. But from here you will see that from the time of opening the trade to 5 seconds left, you can only sell. But at 5 seconds dot, you may not sell. If 5 seconds left, you may not support. I think you can sell if we still have 10 seconds left. So think about that. So what else do I have to tell you about this? Let me summarize. You see, I've made a call option with a profit of $0.95 or 95 cents. I'm going to put back the money here. That is the power of rollover. My current equity is no longer $1, it is 1.95. And what will I do? I wait. Like in the group, you have to wait for signal to come. I tell you, you have to wait. So I'm going to make a rise option. I'm going to edit time. When I send the signal, the time will be there. The stake will be there. Before there are two parts of the signal provision. The first part is the setup, that is the time and the stake, and the second one is whether to rise or fall. Well, that means I will send the stake and the time beforehand so that you will enter those values. Then I will send the main signal. I cannot just make everything so hard for you. So you have to join the VIP group. So I can just make a call option and it will be a rise signal. I don't know how the trade will end up. This is 2 minutes. Remember, I told you the time can change. Most of the times, I can decide to put 15 minutes in the signal. Make sure you follow the instruction. This business is my own business. Never you comment anything against me in the comment section of my Telegram channel. Please, that is the warning. The only thing you need to do is to obey the instruction. You can see we are making a Q option 1.9. If we end all in profit, we are going to make $3.81. That means we have converted our $1 to $3.81 in 2-stage rollover. That's how it works. So if you really like what I'm teaching you right now, I want you to comment your country in the comment section. I'm gonna do a special video of how you can make money in your country. You can see we have 44 seconds left and we are almost having our indicative price revolving around $3. Imagine indicative price. Indicative price is the current price of an asset at a particular time. Okay, that is the current return, including the profit added. You can see the sell button is still activated. You can sell. You see anytime from 20 down, you can sell. We are just making a decision, and this is crazy. I tell you the truth. If you are watching this video from United States of America or from France or any part of the world, I want you to comment. You can see 7 seconds. You cannot sell. Kill, win. So I want you to comment in the comment section. Your country, everything about your state. I mean, your state of money in your country, like if trading is allowed in your country. I want to know. And if you are a trader in your country, and how we want to build this channel to millions subscribers and our Telegram channel to over 200,000 subscribers. So what are you waiting for? This is something that will help you. You don't need to leave your friends. If you are joining this channel, join with at least 10 people. The reason is this. We are doing a blockchain program. Don't think we are playing here. Even when you join the VIP group, you will discover that it's very strict. Being strict, I mean, is we give you instruction, we give you terms and conditions. So you don't think that I'm giving you a free service. Yes, it's free because you are joining this. My Telegram channel is free. You are joining my YouTube is free. But also don't take it for granted. I want you to at least be serious. How can you be serious? How can you buy yourself a coffee here? Is simple, a very simple. Don't take our service for granted. And how can you be serious or not take our service for granted? Is by valuing our service. And how can you do that is to share this video to as thousands of people as possible. Comment in the comment section that this is serious, and try to subscribe and carry people to subscribe, carry people to come into the channel and let them subscribe. So I don't know if there is anything I have to tell you about this program. I don't know, but let me summarize. You cannot put back the money, $3.81. You are going to put it back. I'm not going to trade this one because I'm doing this by imaginations. The risk strategy that we give profit without fear, I have not synthesized that because I'm just doing a video, and it's a secret to me. That's why you should join the VIP if you want to have access. It doesn't cost you much. It's just small thing. Token, you join. I can decide to change the time. I don't know. That's why I told you I will give you instruction of the setups for each signal before I will say rise or fall. But I don't know if I decide to put 15 minutes, it will not last long. I can decide to sell the asset at any time, or I can say rise. Okay. So if after 15 minutes this market is able to go beyond this price, which is 1572.5, don't worry, let me open it up so that you know what I mean. If the price is able to go beyond the entry price, I will get back $7.45 plus. You can see the payout limit. You can see the time is remaining about 14 minutes. So why I increase the time now is, remember, the more you trade, the more chances of losing. I increase the time so that we can sell. This is the sell button, and you see selling is usually around 7 seconds left. So like the selling will be deactivated or disabled at 7 seconds left. That means if you want to sell, make sure you sell from 10 seconds. Make sure you sell between 10 seconds and 1 minute. Are you seeing it? Between 10 seconds and 1 minute. There is network issue here. That's why there is no move. Make sure you are in a highly network area so that you'll be able to make this profit. Okay, I remain WINFXTRADING. If you like this video, give it a thumb, like, share, comment. I love you, and I wish to see you in the Telegram channel. Okay, bye for now.